Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk with you guys about Go Transcript. So this is the website that you guys can earn money once you just transcript the video or audio, okay? This is very simple site. You guys can get paid per minute. As you guys can see, as I'm living in Australia, so $1 Australian dollars I will get paid, and I have 6 hours to transcript the audio or video, and I can get paid, weekly. And this is very simple site, and you guys can just transcript the audio and video and you will get paid. Okay, this is a very good site. I put the link in the description. If you guys like this site, you guys can join this website and you guys can earn money. Okay, so I just give you some samples that see how it's work. They can have a good samples here. Just play it for you guys. You guys can see how it's work. So once I play, just to listen. So see how it's work, guys. This is very simple. Everyone can do this. Just listen to audio and do that transcript, okay? And you will get paid per minute. Okay, it's very simple. It's easy to work with this website, and it's very popular actually. So much people worldwide, because this website is worldwide. So wherever you guys are living, it doesn't matter. You guys can work with this website, and you guys can see audio transcription, video transcription. They have both, and you guys can listen and do the transcription. I'm going to show you how you can start working. Okay, so once you come to this website, you come to the bottom of this page, click on the work. Okay, it takes you to this page. Watch this video. This is very valuable video that is all about knowledge and understanding about this website. Watch this video, and once you watch this, you will know what's going on. Okay, and you will apply now and start working. Okay, it's very simple. You get up to 60 cents per minute per audio or video minute. Okay, and top monthly earners earns about $1,200, more than $1,200. It's very good. If you want to earn extra income, this is very good website. I'll put the link in the description. If you guys like this website, come and check out this website. And yeah guys, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button, hit the notification and bells, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I release video every day for you guys that can make money online and doing affiliate marketing, working from home, traffic, everything about this channel It's very new, and I'm trying to make more videos about a new website that you guys can go to the website and earn money. Okay, so if you guys wants to watch more videos about this stuff, please hit the notification bells and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment below what you guys think about this channel, about this video and this site, whatever you guys have in mind. I will definitely come back to you, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.